In Chapter 16 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrative escalates as the stakes of the underground movement Tyler Durden and the narrator have created take a more destructive, anarchic turn. Upon discovering an act of vandalism in the newspaper, a giant grinning face painted on a skyscraper with fires lit in the windows, the narrator discerns it as the work of Project Mayhem, a more radical offshoot of Fight Club. This revelation emphasizes the shift from the personal liberation sought in the confines of Fight Club to an overt declaration of war against societal structures. Project Mayhem's objective is explicitly stated as the complete and right-away destruction of civilization, highlighting its ambition to dismantle and disrupt the current state of society entirely. The project is organized into 4 committees: arson, assault, mischief, and misinformation, each designed to orchestrate chaos and anarchy through various means. These can range from inciting violence, procuring weapons, to causing public disturbances, all aimed at destabilizing the social order. Tyler Durden assumes the role of the leader within Project Mayhem, directly assigning missions to the members of these committees. The structure of Project Mayhem mirrors that of Fight Club, with its own set of rules, the foremost being the insistence on not asking questions, indicating a level of blind obedience expected from its participants. This rule is reflective of the de-individualization process the members undergo, as they sacrifice their personal autonomy for the perceived greater cause championed by Tyler. The inception of Project Mayhem is provided context through the narrator's recounting of his waning excitement from participating in Fight Club. Despite the physicality and violence involved in the fights, the narrator admits to no longer experiencing the adrenaline rush or emotional release, a narrative that suggests a desensitization to violence that foreshadows the escalation into Project Mayhem. Tyler, recognizing this void and the potential for greater impact, pivots towards a more radical form of rebellion against consumerist society, thus laying the groundwork for Project Mayhem. Chapter 16 of Fight Club explores this critical juncture in the story, where the movement transitions from underground fighting sessions aimed at personal liberation to an orchestrated campaign against societal norms and structures. Through Project Mayhem, Tyler Durden's ideology takes a more concrete form, manifesting in acts designed to disrupt and challenge the status quo, thus setting the stage for the further development of the narrative's central themes of chaos, identity, and rebellion. That's all for today. If you like this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.